Red apple, so bright and neat. Orange like pumpkins, tricky treat. Yellow like the sun in the big blue sky. Green like leaves where the fairies fly. Blue like oceans, pure and deep. Purple like dreams when you're asleep. Pink like flowers in the spring. Brown like bears that love to sing. Rainbow, rainbow, every hue. All the colors just for you. Sing and paint the world today. Rainbow colors make us play. Gray like clouds on rainy days. Black like night in starry ways. White like snowflakes, oh so pure. Colors, colors, that's for sure. Mix them all and see what fits. Colors dance and do the splits. They make our world so fun and bright. Every shade a pure delight. Rainbow, rainbow, every hue. All the colors just for you. Sing and paint the world today. Rainbow colors make us play.
Subscribe for more fun with ChirpyDooBee.